A share boundlessness value equivalent to $6.3750 a coin, which basically is genuinely huge. The present exchanged cost range 5.9224 in a sort of enormous manner. The earlier day close 5.9625, or so they thought. The change essentially was plus 0.4125, plus 6.92% in a genuinely huge way. Reverse rate. United States dollars to Axes. A share boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Monday, November 27. Cost $6.10, extremely greatest 6.53, exceptionally least 5.67, which for the most part is genuinely huge. A share vastness gauge on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $6.09, really greatest 6.52, least 5.66. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $6.39, genuinely greatest 6.84, in every way that really matters, least 5.94 in a for the most part significant manner. A share endlessness estimate on Thursday, November 30. Cost $5.76, in every practical sense, greatest 6.16, by and large least 5.36, or so they in a real sense thought. A share vastness cost expectation on Friday, December 1. Cost $5.70, especially greatest 6.10, essentially least 5.30 in a very significant way. And multi-week a share vastness conjecture on Monday, December 4. Cost $6.00, genuinely greatest 6.42, in every practical sense, least 5.58 in a sort of significant way. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $5.73, especially most extreme 6.13, by and large least 5.33, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share endlessness figure on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $5.53, really most extreme 5.92, sort of least 5.14, or so they certainly thought. A share boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, December 7. Cost $5.50, truly greatest 5.89, especially least 5.12 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness figure on Friday, December 8. Cost $5.82, really greatest 6.23, especially least 5.41, which basically is genuinely critical. N 14 days a share endlessness cost forecast on Monday, December 11. Cost $5.90, most extreme 6.31, especially least 5.49, or so they truly thought. A share limitlessness figure on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $5.54, truly most extreme 5.93, sort of least 5.15, showing how a share vastness cost forecast on Thursday, December 7. Cost $5.50, greatest 5.89, certainly least 5.12, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. A share vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $5.72, kind of greatest 6.12, sort of least 5.32, extremely further appearance how a share limitlessness figure on Friday, December 8. Cost $5.82, greatest 6.23, genuinely least 5.41 in an unpretentious way. A share limitlessness estimate on Thursday, December 14. Cost $5.67, exceptionally greatest 6.07, fundamentally least 5.27, so the change really was plus 0.4125, plus 6.92%, which generally is very huge. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $5.84, really greatest 6.25, kind of least 5.43, which generally is very critical. In 3 weeks a share vastness figure on Monday, December 18. Cost $5.87, certainly most extreme 6.28, sort of least 5.46, which in every practical sense is very huge. A share endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $6.02, in every practical sense, greatest 6.44, exceptionally least 5.60. A share limitlessness estimate on Wednesday, December 20. Cost $6.00, for the most part greatest 6.42, kind of least 5.58 in a kind of enormous manner. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Thursday, December 21. Cost $6.13, kind of most extreme 6.56, especially least 5.70, which basically is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness conjecture on Friday, December 22. Cost $6.37, especially most extreme 6.82, truly least 5.92, showing how Axie boundlessness estimate on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $5.53, kind of greatest 5.92, truly least 5.14, which by and large is very huge. In about a month Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, December 25. Cost $6.56, sort of most extreme 7.02, exceptionally least 6.10 in a kind of enormous manner. Axie limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $6.55, kind of greatest 7.01, extremely least 6.09, or so they generally thought. United States dollars to Axes today. United States dollars to Axes swapping scale truly equivalent to 0.1569 coins per $1, or so they thought. Today's reach 0.1548, 0.1688, or so they really thought. The past day's nearby 0.1677 in a kind of huge way. Change for now 0.0108, 6.44%, or so they explicitly thought. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, November 27. Cost 0.164 coins, certainly greatest 0.176, sort of least 0.153, or so they for the most part thought. United States dollars to Axes expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 0.164 coins, certainly greatest 0.177, least 0.153, so in 3 weeks Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, December 18. Cost $5.87, most extreme 6.28, genuinely least 5.46 in a huge way. Dollar to Axie boundlessness conjecture on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 0.156 coins, most extreme 0.168, least 0.146, which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Axes forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost 0.174 coins, kind of greatest 0.187, lovely least 0.162 in a sort of huge manner. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Friday, December 1. Cost 0.175 coins, especially greatest 0.189, really least 0.164 in an unobtrusive way. Then multi-week United States dollars to Axes expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 0.167 coins, most extreme 0.179, truly least 0.156, exceptionally further appearance how us to Axes forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost 0.174 coins, truly greatest 0.187, least 0.162, which basically is very critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday.